This time factor between industry and academics is where I feel even in case of innovation, there is a serious challenge. If industry wants a solution, it goes to academia. Why? Because it is actually cost effective. And but they want the solution to be coming out faster, and the academics have their own other kind of commitments, and the solution doesn't come out so fast. So we need models whereby that can be bridged. So in BITS Pilani, where I work, is very interesting. We have something which is called a industry immersion program, in which if I am in dialogue with the industry where my research work aligns, I can go ahead and work with the industry for a few months or even a year and take a sabbatical from the institute, and I can go and do what I'm capable of there. There the time constraint will get sorted because now I'll be meeting their culture and performing. So I think that those kind of things are very important. Recently, BITS also came out with a internship program for PhD students, which is very rare, where our PhD scholars can go to a company, work in their labs and so on for a period of 3 to 12 months, depends on the industry. And while they also get to the exposure to what is the current developments and the latest, our industry is also able to get their work done at their pace. So I think those kind of initiatives can be very important in bridging this gap.